Hello, it's Buffy from My Mountain Cabin Rentals, bringing you another video today. This is one of our newest cabins. We call it the farmhouse. It's a really beautiful craftsman style farmhouse with very comfortable furniture. This is the entertaining porch. Very nice with string lights. And it has a wood-burning fireplace here. And a TV over the mantle. Sorry, I had that zoomed in. There's your hot tub. Here's the roosters. This is real farmhouse living. Got the curtains up for privacy. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous farmhouse that went on live on our website today. Now, the cool thing about this is there are 3 houses right here on the same property. Over there's the barn. Eric's over there doing some maintenance work. You can't see what we've been calling the big house all that well, but it's right up beside. That one's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath up on the hill. We've got somebody in that one till the end of the month, so we can't show the inside of it or anything right now. The little barn down there is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So really, there's a little picnic table. It's kind of a commons area. Really, if you had a family gathering or a reunion or something like that, this would be a great location because there's 3 cabins all sharing the same yard area. So it would be really good for a big family or 3 families to be able to be close together. These properties are only about 3 to 5 minutes from downtown Blue Ridge. Okay, so back to the farmhouse. We are proud of this cabin. Well, it's a farmhouse. We're used to calling them cabins. It is gorgeous, and if you like the farmhouse look, you're gonna love this. So we've got a gas log fireplace and the TV over there. So this is the living room. We're going to walk into this gorgeous bathroom with its tile and the rock on the bottom. Really, really nice bathroom. Okay, go back out in the hall and go to the right. This is the master. Look at the old tin. I think that has a really, really nice look to it. It adds a lot of character to the farmhouse look. Just notice we have a light bulb out. We'll have to fix that. This is a really nice bedroom. These beds are super comfortable. I got to sit on one. Okay, we're going to go back out. Excuse me, my allergies are killing me with all this pollen. So here's the kitchen. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous dining area and kitchen. It's got stainless appliances. It's got a nice farmhouse sink. And then your washer and dryer is over here. And here's the other door that goes out to the porch with the hot tub and everything. So now we're going to go upstairs and check that area out. We just put up that cool industrial handrail. It needed one. So when you get to the top of the stairs, the top floor, you've got a little desk area that you can use for the kids to work on the computer. If you need to do some work from here, that's your place. We've got an air hockey table. That's a futon. Could be used for probably one extra person if need be. You've got a dartboard and a television. Just a few little games and such. And then here's the second bedroom. Really nice bedroom with a TV as well. And there's a door that goes out, that goes down to the ground on the outside. And there's a cool little playground area for the little kids, if you have them. And see, that's the big house that I was talking about. We'll be doing a video on that soon when we are able to get into it. Like I said, we just got these cabins signed on, all 3 of them. But somebody was renting the big one for the month. So we haven't been able to get into it yet. So I hope you love this cabin as much. Whoops, there I go again. Hope you love this farmhouse as much as I do. And I hope it makes you want to rent it and come to the mountains and be close to Blue Ridge. Another good aspect of this place is that you have all paved roads all the way to the cabin, and then it's got a nice, flat, well-maintained gravel driveway. So you'll have absolutely no problems whatsoever accessing this cabin, and downtown Blue Ridge is practically just around the corner. So that's another good point. And all your hiking, horseback riding, fishing, swimming adventures are very nearby. So check it out on the website. We just got it live this afternoon, a little bit after 5 o'clock. So take a look at it. Be one of the first ones to rent it. I'm sure you're going to love it. So thanks again for viewing our videos. See you next time.